Hello friends, we are going to solve the problem of time series analysis by using method of least squares. We are going to take the one example, fit a straight line trend by the method of least squares. A series is given, year as well as the sales values, the sales figures are given. We need to fit this particular problem into a straight line trend by the method of least square. Also, forecast the sale for the year 2008. The next upcoming year, for the year 2008, we have to forecast the value of sales, and also we need to calculate the trend values. So let us just solve the example. Now, how we are going to solve? For example, year we are going to denote it by the word that is small t, and the figure of sales, the sales digits, we are going to denote it by small y. Now here friends, we need to calculate the value of x. X is nothing but the origin, that means t minus. Here the total number of observations are 1 2 3 5 6 7 8. So here the total number of observations are 8. That means it is an even digit. So for even digit, what we need to do, we need to take the half of the figure, that is the middle value, that is 1 2 3 4. The middle value will lie somewhere between 2000 as well as 2001 year. Okay, so for that we need to take the average value of 2000 and 2001, which comes out to be 2000 and 2000.5, and this particular thing divided by 1 by 2, or it could be the reverse, it could be vice versa, like x can also be written as 2 into bracket t minus 2005. That means we are going to take the average of these 2 years, that is 2001 and 2000. So that is why this is how it is written. Now we are going to calculate the values of x. How we are going to calculate? Let us take one example. Let us take the first example. Like here, x is equal to 2 multiplied by t. So what is the value of t? That is 1997 minus 2005. So this value comes out to be what? This is 3, this is 3, this is 2.5. Now this value becomes minus 7. Now here again we need to calculate 2 into 1998 minus 2005. This value comes out to be minus 2.5 multiplied by 2. That means this will be minus 5. Similarly here we can extrapolate. This is minus 3, this will be minus 1. Next, 2002 multiplied by 2001 minus 2000.5. So this value comes out to be plus 1.5 multiplied by 2, that is plus 1. Next value will come out to be 3. Next will be 5, and finally the last value, that is 2004 minus 2000.5. this comes out to be value as 7. So this is how the values of x are being calculated. Now we need to find out the value of x square in the next column. So minus 7 square, that is 49. This will be 25. This will be 3 minus 3 square, that is 9. Minus 1 square, that is 1. 1 square 1. 3 square 9. 5 square 25, and 7 square, that is 49. Okay friends, now in the last column we are going to calculate, in the next column we are going to calculate the values of x. We have the value of y here, that is 76, 80. We know the value of x, that is minus 7, minus 5. So we are going to multiply these values. The first value comes out to be minus 532. The next value comes out to be minus 400. Next value comes out to be minus 990. Next value comes out to be minus 144. Next it comes out to be plus 138, because this is a plus value. Next it comes out to be 360. Next value is 870. Next value is 1330. So this is how we are going to we have calculated the values of x as well as the multiplication of x into y. Now the two normal equations line equations, the two normal line equations, or it can be normal equations for getting the values of A and B. So how to write those two equations? This is summation of y is equal to n into small a plus b into, this is summation of x, b into summation of x. So this is first equation, and now comes the second equation. What is second equation? Second equation is summation of x into y is equal to a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square. Now putting the values of all these things, now we need to calculate the value of summation of y. So this is y, we need to get the addition of the values of y, that is summation of y. This value comes out to be 1252. Similarly friends, we need to calculate the value of summation of x also. Here summation of x, the value of summation of x will be 0. Next we need to calculate the value of summation of x square. This comes out to be the total of all these things, this comes out to be 168. And finally the value of summation of x into y, the value of summation of x into y, this comes out to be 632. Now putting all those values in these two equations. So first is summation of y, that is 1252 is equal to n. What is n? N is 8. This is 8 into a plus b into summation of x, it is 0. Therefore 1252 is equal to 8a. Therefore the value of 8a, I'll write it as 1252. Therefore a is equal to 1252 divided by 8. This particular value of a comes out to be 156.5. Similarly we need to calculate the value of b from the second equation. Summation of x into y, this comes out to be 632 is equal to a into summation of x. So summation of x is 0 plus b into summation of x square, which is 168. Therefore this will be 632 is equal to 168b. Therefore the value of b is equal to 632 divided by 168, which comes out to be 3.76. These are the values of a as well as b. Now we need to put these two values in our normal equation, in our trend line equation. So trend line equation for time series analysis is given by y is equal to a plus bx. We are taking the values from origin. Therefore what is y? Y is unknown, is equal to a. What is value of a? 156.5 plus b. What is b? 3.76 into x. So these particular equation is called as trend line equation. Now this is how we have fit the values into a straight line, that is y is equal to ax plus b. Now we need to get the trend values. Now trend values is again for the next column, that is of trend values. So for trend values we need to take the formula y is equal to 156.5 plus 3.76 into the value of x. So here the values of x are given, that is -7, -5, -3, -1. You need to put those values and you need to get the answers. You can easily calculate by putting those values. So first value is -7. You'll get the first value as 130.8. The next value is 137.7. Next value is 145.22. Next value is 152.74. Next value 160.26. next value 167.28, next value 145 plus this 152, next value is 160, I'm sorry, this is 175.3, and the final value, this is 182.82. So these are the trend values. Now the problem is not over. We got the straight line trend, fit into this particular thing. Next, we have calculated all the trend values. Now the last question is, we need to forecast sales for the year 2008. We need to get the value of sales for the year 2008. How we can do? Here we need to get the value of y. What is the value of y? Okay, because sales is denoted by y. When 2008, that means the value of t is given, t is equal to 2008. Now we don't know, we have to get the value of y, but then we don't know the value of x. Now here in this problem, x is given by, as we have already taken, 2 multiplied by t minus 2000 and 0.5. This is nothing but 2 multiplied by, what is t? T is 2008 minus 2005 minus 2005. So friends, for this particular thing, we can easily get the value of x as 15. So we'll put this value of x into this particular equation. So this becomes y is equal to 156.5 plus 3.76 multiplied by 15, because this is 7.5 multiplied by 2, so this is 15. So we will get the value as y as 212.9. this will be in rupees lakhs. Do not forget to write the units also at the end. So this is how we have calculated the value. Now since the value of n is an even number, that is why we have calculated the value of x first, and then after calculating the value of x first, we have put this value of x into this particular formula of trendline equation, and thereby we will get the value of y. We will get the forecast of y for the year 2008 as 212.9 lakhs of rupees. Friends, I hope you might have understood this problem. Thank you for watching my video.